In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your microphone in Google Chrome. Now, you can enable your microphone as well as your camera for specific websites. And this is the best way to go about it because you don't want random websites using your microphone. Now, how do we enable it? Now, you can go and try and use your microphone on any website. So if I go into a new meeting on Google Meet and I try and use my microphone, by clicking on the microphone button in the bottom left, it is going to then ask me, can Google Meet use the microphone? And we can go ahead and allow it. Now, when we allow it, as you can see now, it is enabled and it will only be enabled for Google Meet. Now, if you want to check what websites you've actually enabled your mic for, then you can do that in Google Chrome by going to the three dots in the top right-hand corner. You can go to Settings. You can then go to Privacy and Security. You can then scroll down to Site Settings, and then you can go to Microphone, and here are all of the websites that are going to be listed, and these are going to be the websites that have previously asked to use your microphone. As long as you've got sites can ask to use your microphone and your microphone selected properly in this drop down here, whenever you need to use your microphone on a website on Google Chrome, it will ask you first, do you want to allow it? So with this checked, you can allow your microphone on any website inside of Google Chrome by clicking on the microphone button, and it will always ask you first. If at any point you want to remove access, you just come down to where I just showed you in Privacy and Security. You can either click on the arrow and just change it to block it or to ask, or you can just delete it completely and it will ask again when you click on the microphone.